Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to V10s I. It's been a little bit of time, but the weather is finally looking good today. And today is the swan song for the Viper. By the end of this week, the Viper will be sold, and it's going to a new home. I hope to see that this car on IG and videos every once in a while, because I like to keep tabs on what's going on with it. But I figured we'd take this for a last ride out, kind of give you my final thoughts on this car, and have some fun along the way. I hope you all have enjoyed the journey with the Viper as much as I have. I've taken a new job that's taken a lot of time away from the channel for me, so obviously that takes priority at this point. However, I do want to get into another car in the near future. As I do, I'll let you guys know, and obviously we'll have a reveal video and all that fun stuff. But I've had a lot of fun with the Viper over the last few years. You guys seen the build process, the motor build, and you know, the suspension and all the fun stuff I've had with it. I've pretty much done everything I've wanted to do with this car, so it is now time to get this thing going to its next owner. So look at how gorgeous it is. I want to do a startup video for you guys, and then we will get on our way. Follow along. Steering wheel, awesome new dashboard there, speed dog shifter. And I've pretty much done everything I wanted to do with this car, so it is time to look at some new opportunities and some new adventures. Let's go for a ride. Alright, so the 2+ year journey I've had with this car, I pretty much set up this car from the suspension to the exhaust to the motor build. It's been a great car. It has been a challenging car, and the problem I've had to face with this thing, there's not a lot of Viper techs available that continue to work on these cars. So when issues arise, you know, you have to get on the list with one of the big name tuners or Viper shops, and you're sometimes months away from getting your issue resolved, which takes away from, you know, having the car actually being on the road. So at any moment's notice, I need to be able to get in the car. The car's perfect right now, as you can see. Brand new dashboard, steering wheel, motors humming along. Everything's going great. I found a gentleman that wants to purchase this thing. He's made me an offer that I think it's a fair point to sell this thing. 2+ years ownership with this thing. Car's fought me quite a bit, and I've had to work on specific things, odds and ends on myself, and I've learned quite a bit working on this car than any of my other cars, which is pretty awesome, because the car's got a brand new starter motor, a brand new alternator, which, you know, both those components I hadn't done before, as part of me chasing down some electrical gremlins in this thing. And after all said and done, it works perfect. So that's the swan song for the Viper. 2+ years of ownership in V10s Garage, and I wish the new owner good luck with this thing. It's going to be an awesome ride for him, and I hope he enjoys the the efforts I put into spec this thing out the way I wanted to have it spec'd out.